These burger bowls are delicious and they're a great way to switch things up from a traditional burger, especially with the springtime right around the corner. It's great to have some new ways to prep some of your favorite foods like burgers here. So we're going to start off by firing up our 3-burner gas griddle from Charbroil, and then we're going to prep our potatoes here. So we're making fries and we're going to grill these up. Just cut them up into little fries, add some olive oil and salt, and then just mix that together. Now that that's done, we're going to make our sauce here. So we're adding some mayo, ketchup, and mustard, along with some cherry peppers, pickles, and a little bit of vinegar. That's going to be our delicious burger sauce. So let's set that aside as we head out to the grill here. So we're going to start off by grilling up our fries. So we got our griddle going on medium-high heat. Then we're going to close our griddle and let that steam up a little bit. Let those fries cook all the way through. Then add some beef tallow, which is going to really help them crisp up. Remove your fries once they're done. We're adding our ground beef. We have 2 pounds of ground beef going on. Keep it fully intact. Get a nice crust on both sides and start to chop it up like this. We're going to season up our beef and then add a good amount of cheese here. So you could, of course, leave the cheese off if you don't like it, but then just add it to a bowl with all of our toppings here. We got lettuce, tomato, pickles, avocado, and enjoy.